Hello, boys and girls. It's me, Mrs. Sadowski, again with our third benchmark lesson of the week for Unit 5, Week 1. And we're going to go back in and check out those editorial pages one more time today. And when we look at them, we need to remember they are opinion texts. And while every single author of the editorial pages argues something different, the point is that in their opinion piece, they have reasons and evidence to support whatever their opinion is. And that's what a good writer does when they're writing an opinion text. So we're going to go in and we're going to examine the second editorial today. It's called Natural Gas, the Natural Choice for Hopeville. So I'm going to switch over to our screen over here, and you can see that it starts out natural gas, the natural choice for Hopeville. Clearly, she's stating her opinion, right? And she's telling us that she's not against solar power, but she wants a more cost-effective power source. And she says that it's the better choice because it's available and much more affordable. That's a pretty good reason right there. Having something that's available and more affordable. You know, when a city is trying to decide on something, they do have to think about what is available for them to use, and they do need to think of the cost. She goes on to mention this Mesa Palm solar plant, and she doesn't want a solar plant, but she mentions it for this reason. The Mesa Palm solar plant costs $2 billion to build. Just to build. She's showing right there some very specific evidence to support why natural gas would be more affordable. You know, a town really does need to think about how much something costs. So what you're going to do today is go through and you're going to start in paragraph 17. Paragraph 17 is where we keep going with our arguments for why natural gas would be a good source. And as you go through, you might want to either highlight or underline or even take notes on a separate piece of paper, because in here on your assignment in Google Classroom today, your job is to look at the reasons, the text evidence, the support for why natural gas is a good choice. Okay, so starting with paragraph 17, you're going to see if you can come up with 5 reasons why natural gas is the way to go. And at the bottom, and notice you do have text box, by the way, so again, you're going to highlight, type right in the box. At the bottom, it asks you which of the following is evidence that supports the idea that natural gas is a good alternative for Hopeville. Choose 2 answers. So again, we've got our little dots here, our little red circles. You're going to be picking 2. That's why there's 2 circles. Okay, is it because solar power may be cheaper to use someday? Is that why we would use natural gas? There's a natural gas reserve located in Hopeville. A reserve means that there's like extra supply of something. Natural gas is a more cost-effective source compared to solar energy. Cost-effective, meaning you get more out of it for the amount that you're spending. Or Carlos Hill is in favor of using natural gas. Which of these support the idea that natural gas is good? All right, so I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with your answers as you go through and tear apart this opinion piece.